Well, my base has come loose here. That's great. Screws come out. My mount. Great. Welcome back to Full Range Outbound. I'm doing a little kayak repair today. I was out last Saturday and my kayak mount come loose because I had these little screws in it. I had this ram mount. That's what I attached my GoPro to. I've tried to use regular bolts or little locking washers to go down in here. I tried to reach down in this, but I could not reach this right here. So I got this marine grade rivets and the gun with it. Rivet gun. And I got some clear silicone. I'm gonna see if this will hold it. I've heard these rivets are pretty stout, so we're gonna try it and see. And I figured I'd just video it in case somebody else is having problems. Hold on, let me get everything ready. Like I said, I was out there. It come loose about halfway through. I kept thinking I'm gonna lose my GoPro, so I kept watching on it. And when I got back up to the boat ramp, this happened. And I'll insert this video right here. Almost lost my GoPro. And we're gonna fix it now. Okay, this takes a 3/16 head. I'm gonna change these out. I've never used one of these. I don't know what's going on. I'm about to find out. Never used one of these before. But it is a 3/16. I think I'm going to have to drill this hole out too. Make this fit. Tighten this up. Okay, I've got me a drill. I'm going to try one and see what it looks like. See if this thing fits. I would think you want it snug down in there. Yep, now that fits. So drill the rest of them out. Not too much. I want it to be kind of snug, you would think. There, let's try them all. Makes you sick after drive through, drill holes in your kayak. Does me. Okay, I got this Loctite clear silicone waterproof sealant. I'm gonna put in these holes. Knock you down here. There. You should make a good water seal when I put those rivets in there. I didn't put the pointed end in it because I'm going to seal this back up. There. Okay, get this position. These are, oops, that's awful. These are 3/16" rivets. I got a little rubber seal around it. They should be watertight. So we're going to stick them in there and see what happens. Get lined up good. I hope this holds good. This little kit comes with like 16. I can attach other stuff on my boat if this works. We'll know here in a few minutes if it works. Alright. Here's my gun. Let's see what happens. See if you can see here. Let's try. Let me. Wish I had something to. Here's a screwdriver. I'm gonna see if I can see this all the way down in there. See what happens here. Let's try it. There's one. I don't know how you get them out. There, it pulls right out like that. It feels like it's tightened up. I'll put a light on this here in a minute. If this works, it's slick. These things are hard to get out. Slide right down here. Pop right out. Let me give you a different angle here. See if I can attach it something else. Alright, here are the last two right here. You gotta kind of twist that out. One last one, we'll see. Ew. Twist that right out. Right there. Now we're done. That thing right there is solid. Now I'm gonna mount this ram mount on here and see what it looks like. Let's see. Let's see here. Oh, it's solid now. That's a solid. Apparently I need help or watch a video about my GoPro ram mount and how to attach. I finally got this on because I like to be able to swing it out this way. But I'm telling you, that thing's a bear to get down at home. I don't know if I'm not doing something right, but it's solid now. Yeah, I like that. I don't have to worry about it no more. And plus it's waterproof now. That's cool. Yeah, I like it. No more worrying about it coming off. Hope that helps anybody out there that's having the same issues, keeping your gear heavy stuff on there. It come with built-in. I wouldn't have no problems because it's got built-in nuts in the bottom. But this one here is one I put on for this ram mount. And this thing's bare to get in that little groove. It's on there now. I love it. Don't have to worry about it no more. Hope you enjoyed this little video. Hope it helps somebody out there. I know I was it was a pain in the hind end for me. Fixed now. Appreciate watching. Subscribe if you can. More videos coming.